Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Today I'm going to show you this earphone, Metalic earphone. This from a MINISO brand. I'm going to talk about the specific features of this device and what's inside the box. Hope you can see there's something inside this box, transparent box. Okay, let's go to the today's lesson, but before that, please remember to click the subscribe button down there and click the bell button also to get the latest video updates. Okay, let's go to the today's video. This is the box. This is a very nice transparent box. We can see through this box and we can see that there is something inside this box with the earphone. And so what we can see when we are looking at this box, metal in air earphone, comfortable to wear, they have mentioned. Also they have mentioned the 3.5mm jack and the call and mute ability. That means we can use this headphone to listen music and also to answer and cut the calls, right? So complimentary EVA headphone case. So this should be the headphone case. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. But before that, please read these specific features, the product name, specific net weight. This is around 12.4 grams, and they have mentioned the product features and the materials, storage instructions, and how to use. The material is aluminum alloy TPE, so that is a very good material. Okay, that's what we can see using this box. Also we can see the MINISO. This is a Japanese brand. So MINISO, we still haven't heard very much about this MINISO brand. Okay, I'm going to unbox it and take it out. Let's try it. Okay, right, so this is it, the MINISO brand Japanese headphone. So we can see a nice packing. Let's see how it has been packed. So very safely inside. So I'm going to remove the earpieces. So let's keep this pack also aside. You can see a very nice headphone case. We haven't seen this kind of headphone case. It feels like a matte finish. Rubber, should be rubber, and the normal zip. There's a normal zip. We can store this headphone within this headphone case. Very soft inside. It's very nice, very useful to pack these headphones. So let's keep this aside and let's check this headphone jack and headphone. Okay, you can see the same, they have mentioned 3.5mm headphone jack and earpieces. This feels metallic, soft metallic, look like aluminum, and the volume button. They have included the volume button, plus and minus volume button, and the call answering button. There is a call answering button, and the most important thing is that wire of the headphone jack. You can see very flat type wire, so that means this is very strong enough to use, very much durable. So this is it. I'm going to check my audio quality. Please check the description section below. I will mention about the audio quality, and don't remember to subscribe for my channel if you want to watch like this kind of videos. They have attached their brand, MINISO brand, and the earpieces are very nicely fitted with the ear. So this is it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will be back with a new video like this in the near future. If you haven't subscribed for my channel, please subscribe for the channel and click the bell button down there to get the latest video updates. And okay, till then, take care and have a good day.